Okay guys, this is Monthly Knife Club. It's my first one. This is tier 1 for the name brand subscription for the flippers, like this one. This is $35. Let's see what we got. So, comes with a little card like this with information about your knife, what you get for the advanced plan, the ultimate plan, and all that. So it's real steel. Let's see. Go ahead and do it like that. I'll see it as I see it. It's information about the knife. Comes wrapped up. Ooh. Let's see. Cuts. Like that. Got an edge. Yeah. See, you can see that here. It's a really good knife. Wasn't what I was expecting, but that's just me. But I don't know. I like it. That's the $35 a month tier 1 name brand subscription for the flippers from Monthly Knife Club. It's got a good size on it. Have a good day. Happy holidays.